Hi guys, so I'll be doing a haul video right now, and before I do that I want to thank all the subscribers that came over from Lyric's channel. I want to thank Lyric once again for doing that collab with me, and for those who did not see that video, it will be posted down below. It was just a collab just to do different looks, collaborating with another Jamaican, which is Lyric Rochester. You must know her from You Know Me, I must know her. So I hope you guys watched that video or enjoyed that video, and thank you for subscribing, thank you for coming over, and I hope you enjoy my channel. If you see anything you want to that needs improving, just tell me down below. Criticism, good criticism is encouraged, and I want to thank all you guys. I really appreciate you guys that watch my channel. Thank you very much, and remember to share the videos, like, promote it, yeah, just to help a girl out. Joking. Anyways, thank you guys for coming over, and yeah, let's get into this haul. The haul is from stuff online, gifted items from my friends, and stuff that I bought over a period of some months. So yeah, let me get started. Some of the things are from today. And yeah, so let me just pick up stuff, and I'm going to start with the jewelry items. And my friend gifted me these bracelets, bangles, whatever you want to call them. These were from Kim's. It's in Halfway, and yeah, she said she bought them in Kim's and she gave them to me. And then these, she don't remember where she got them from. Yeah, so yeah, bracelets. And then also a friend of mine gifted me this necklace, and I think it is so beautiful. You know guys, once upon a time I never wore gold. I was always into silver, but now I'm growing up, I'm wearing gold. It's so odd. If you knew me, you'd understand what I'm saying. I never wore gold. But anyways, yeah, this bracelet, orange, yellow and beige ribbons going through it. It's very beautiful. It's a bib necklace. It is so gorgeous. Excuse my sweating. I'm hot. The fan is not on, but show must go on. Okay, so some stuff that I bought around town in Jamaica here. If you don't know, I'm Jamaican. Yeah, so I bought these today, and I bought them from a store in Clock Tower, and I got them for these are for $900 a piece, and I got them for a cheaper rate because I bought more than one. And this is the Revlon Color Stay, and these I bought for my kids. So yeah, this one is for me personally though. One is for me and the other three is for my kids. So I'll be putting these in my kids, and these are very good foundation. I like liquid foundation over stick or any other foundation. I prefer liquid because it's easier to bend and whatever. I just love liquid foundation. So I got these today for $800 a piece, but they're originally about $900. So you guys can check out the store. I put the number below, so if you're in Kingston, you can, and you know Clock Tower, you can go there and get these at cheaper rate. Because if you don't know the price of these are for 1,000 ad, and I got them for little or nothing. So you guys can check it out. And then I also got these at Discount Beauties, and I am in love. I'm wearing this one today, and this is after a day of school, so don't mind the makeup. This is a day of school, and this is the one that I was wearing today. It's kind of worn off, but I love them. Pigmentation is A+, and it lasts, especially if you put on a lip liner before, they last. I love these. So the ones that I have is Whisper, Tease, Koi, and Tango. I'm really loving. I love to wear this like almost every day with as a nude lip with a dark line around it. It is beautiful. So yeah, I'll be doing some videos using these so you guys can see them. And yeah, well, I also got this from the store that I got the Revlon Color Stays from, and this is a purple liner, Air Woman, nothing fancy, just $50 for them, but they are very soft. They glide on very easily. So I got a nude and a purple. I bought this specifically to wear with the koi, and just this as a nude just to wear whenever. Okay, so I see this. I finally got my hands on luxury powder, banana and neutral. Finally got the banana, like where they're doing that at finally. And I got these from Luxe Beauty. They are located in Cedar Grove, and I can put the information down below, but this was about 2,500 and this was 1200 somewhere around there, and that is quite reasonable for these, and I am loving this, especially so far. Give me a glammed highlight. So yeah, I'm loving these. Okay, so from T-Mart, I bought a few items a few months ago. I've been using the brushes so far, and there are these brushes which are kind of some knockoffs of what they call Real Technique brushes, but anywho, I just wanted to try them. So these 5 brushes, they're different type of brushes, different shapes, flat top, slanted flat top, the stipple brush, the dome, and the pointed dome. So yeah, these 5 brushes, so far I'm liking them. The flat top, this one has started to shed, but they are very soft, uber soft. So I'm liking them so far. Along with that, I bought some lashes. Ooh, and I'm in love with them. These lashes were gorgeous. They are top and bottom lashes, and they have a range of different looks, but for the most part they are all natural. So it's thin to the thickest for the top lashes, and then some variation of bottom lashes. sorry you guys, I'm getting sick. Exam time and I'm sick, oh lord. So yeah, excuse me. So we had fashion night out here, but I was at school and the only place I could get to go was Annabelisa. Hi Annabelisa, nice seeing you. And to the young lady that saw me in the store, thank you for saying hi. And I was a bit shy and kind of taken aback that somebody knew me from my channel, but yeah, hi and thank you for watching. I'll just get the camera. Anyways, thank you for watching. Yeah, so back to Annabelisa. I bought a e.l.f. blush and bronzer powder set, and it's in St. Cakes and what's the name? St. Lucia. And so far I've tried it out once or twice and I'm loving it. It's a nice highlight for me. The blush is not really a blush, it's more like a colored highlight for me, but I'm loving it. It's very nice as a highlight. Not wearing it today, so I'll show you in a tutorial very soon. And then I bought the Great Lash. I love using this. Always use this on my clients, use this on myself. It gives you great definition. And then it came with a pencil, a define a line liner. I've never tried the liner, so that would be interested. And it was for $600, which anybody know that's a deal out here, cause them go for $7 up $12,000. Don't know why, but yes. I bought this to use. Sorry, I'm taking this out of the package. guys. I hate being sick around exam time. Can you study and be sick? Not a good combination. Okay, so the next package is from Dresslink, and I saw some stuff on Dresslink that I want, and they come in this kind of package and come straight to my house, so I'm happy for that. So I don't have to go to the post office and deal with the post fee for them. With that. So I actually bought in this package. It was supposed to come with two watches, one for me and my spouse, boyfriend. Never know. I was supposed to surprise him, but for some strange reason it can't be shipped. It can't be shipped through this. I don't know why. Because I've gotten packages with watches in them before. They say the post office said it can't come. No electronics could come through the post in this package. So after they took out all of that and refunded me, all I received was this rhinestones, which I don't think is what I actually ordered, but I ordered this for my friend, and then this skirt that I'm in love with. It's this skirt. It's the Beetlejuice pattern, and then it cuts off on the side, so it goes to the whole of your leg here, and it's just beautiful. Sorry for the background noise. I don't live alone. So that's that for that one. And then today when I came in, I saw this. Another package from Dresslink. Sorry guys. And I'm going to open it right now with you guys. So here's the package. I'm going to open it. Okay. In this, it's supposed to be a waist clencher or a bustier. One of those have one, and a juggle. So this should be the jugger. Okay, I like this so far. So this is the juggle. It's kind of thinner than I expected, but that's okay. It has pockets. I guess I have to wear shorts underneath it or something because it's quite thin. So yeah, that's that. It has pockets on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's black. And yeah, that's it. And then excuse me guys, there is the waist clencher. Yes guys, I have a big stomach, so more to see you. And here it is. Ooh. Waist clencher. It doesn't stretch. So that's that. And this is from Dresslink. It was very affordable. I didn't tell you the price. I don't remember the prices because it was supposed to come a very long time ago. So that's this. I think this was around $7-8. They do ship free to Jamaica with this package. So yeah, that's it for my hauls guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have any requests for any looks, leave them down below. Remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye guys.